I'm Eric P. Lising, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, second year, DAS 5, Our Lady of Fatima University, Pampanga Campus. Procedures in black and white film processing, tank method. Step 1. First step we did was to put the film roll in tank with a changing bag. This is a move easy than using the whole dark room because you can see what you are doing. You will just feel the stuff. You are done. After we put the film in the tank, this is the time for chemical processing. First is the developer and our professor task to agitate the developer with film for about 10 minutes, then we wash it 5 times. After the developer is the acid fixer. The purpose of this is to rinse off the unexposed silver halides. We agitated, shake the tank for about 5 minutes, and after we rinse it. After doing all the process, it's time to hang dry the film. We need to dry to film for larger purposes. We use the electric fan to dry up the film. After the film is dried up to our professor used to enlarger to see the results for our very own film. So far, it's successful. After viewing the photos in film, it's time to submit it to our professor. She cut down all of the visible photos and took down whatever the active photos.